Hope you're doing well today. It's Friday, and we've just completed the non-farm payroll report. Came out about 30 minutes ago, and now we're looking to get on with our trading day here in about 20 minutes from right now. So let's go ahead and jump into the market, see what's going on, talk about what we looked at yesterday, what our potential opportunities were, and what we're looking for and looking at today. All right, so here we go. Let's go over to this screen. Interesting day so far. We had non-farm payrolls come out. That was this big whippy bar right here. And I think the market's kind of flat, looking to see what's going to happen when we get into regular trading hours. But currently the trend is up 4 hours long, 30 minutes long. That's telling us that we want to look for long trading opportunities. So we'd like to see the market pull back a bit and then look to buy the breakout of a previously closed lower high and go in the direction of that trend. We saw oops, what happened here? Where'd that thing go? There it is. Yesterday, we were making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. It did eventually break out for us, but it was after my trading hours. So even though we had some signals following it down, my trading day ended, and so thus did my signals. So nothing else going on there. Although we did talk about some breakouts. We talked about a breakout of 4404 while we were back here in the morning. 4404 was our number. We can see broke through 4404, and it's continued on, through that, in the direction of that market trend. So we had 4404 and 4395 as our brackets for potential breakouts there, in addition to what we're looking at for the BTX. So that looked pretty darn good. We also said, if you were playing that breakout, look at, moving protection pretty quickly. If it moved 5 points or so in your favor, maybe you move your stop loss up to break even +1, and then, let it ride, or take off a portion there, let it ride. There's a couple of ways to go with that, right? If you're trading multiple contracts, you can take a little bit off, move your stop loss to break even, and then let the rest of it ride and see what happens. So different ways to manage it, but ultimately we are still continuing in that upward trend for the S&P. So today, looking for pullbacks, see if we go from there. I don't have any breakouts for today. We need to wait and just see what the market shakes out after regular trading hours get going, and once we get through today back into Monday and see what's actually going on there. Crude is pushing a little bit higher. We've got a mixed bias here. 30-minute is long, but the 4 hour is short on crude. Yesterday we were looking for the market to make higher lows and higher highs, because we were looking for short trades yesterday. It did that, pushed down, broke through. Looks like we got into a trade. It went into profit and then came back and stopped us out. We did manage to ratchet off some of the risk, but ultimately took a loss on crude yesterday. Gold, man, gold is a mover. Gold is crack-a-lacking. So what's happening with gold? Right now, we're looking for shorts. We've got a short bias on the 4 hour, short bias on the 30-minute. So we'd want to see gold pull back a little bit here and then continue back in the direction of that short trend. Yesterday, we talked about 1810 as a bottom level on on gold, which 1810 is right over here, right there is 1810. We talked about selling the break. If it broke through that, we can see gold crash through 1810, and gave you a couple opportunities. If you didn't catch it here, you had an opportunity again right here to catch that move down on gold, and you can see it's been selling off really well into the current session. So anyway, there you have it. So looking for long trade opportunities on the S&P. We're mixed bias on crude, so nothing there. Looking for short trading opportunities on gold. I don't have breakouts for you on any of these. We just need to get through today. We'll come back on Monday and see what the trading opportunities are. Of course, if something comes up for the BTX method, which is on the ES or on the GC over here on S&P or on gold, we'll trade that, because we'd be getting that intraday pullback and then the direction of the market trend, right? So there you have it. If you have any questions, hit me up. I'm always here, happy to help, and I'll talk to you soon.